Shaft. Shaft in Gilan, Iran is a charming town known for its lush nature, rice fields, and friendly local markets. Lasak. Lasak is a pretty village in Shaft, Gilan, Iran, with green hills and quiet forests. Rural Heritage Museum. The Rural Heritage Museum in Gilan, Iran shows what village life was like. Seyqalan. Seyqalan in Shaft, Gilan, Iran is a hidden gem with stunning natural beauty, with peaceful green hills and fresh mountain air. Imamzadeh Ibrahim Shrine. The Imamzadeh Ibrahim Shrine in Gilan, Iran is a peaceful place surrounded by green forests, beautiful waterfalls, and mountain views.